Imagine a peaceful harbor suddenly shattered by a force so massive it leveled an entire city. On December 6th, 1917, two ships collided in Halifax, Canada, one carrying explosives. The resulting blast was among the largest ever caused by humans, instantly killing nearly 2,000 people and injuring thousands more. The explosion created a shockwave felt miles away, ignited fires, and unleashed a devastating tsunami. Rescue efforts poured in, sparking international aid and changing disaster response forever. Halifax's skyline and spirit were forever transformed by this tragic event.